This video is about math functions in PHP. PHP provides many predefined math constants and functions that can be used to perform mathematical operations. There are several math functions in PHP. So we have ABS function. This function returns absolute value of a given number. It returns an integer value, but if you pass floating point value, it returns a float value. This is the syntax for ABS function. Ceil function. This function rounds fractions up. That means it is used to find out the ceiling value of a number. Then we have floor function. This function rounds fractions down. That means the floor value of a number. SQRT function, which returns square root of a given argument. Bin function. This function converts decimal number into binary. It returns binary number as a string. This is the syntax for bin function. Then we have hex function. This function converts decimal number into hexadecimal. It returns hexadecimal representation of a given number as a string. Then we have oct function. This function converts decimal number into octal. It returns octal representation of a given number as a string. Base underscore convert function. The base underscore convert function allows you to convert any base number to any base number. Then we have bindec function. This function converts a binary number into decimal number. Now these are the important list of the PHP math functions. Let's see the example for math functions. So first let's see the hands-on for ABS function. So PHP echo ABS of -7 means absolute value of -7. Then a dot here. Let's give break function here and a semicolon. Okay, then echo of absolute value of 7. Okay, then a dot and the break function, break statement. Okay, semicolon here. Okay, then echo absolute value of -7.2 dot inside double quotes the break statement, parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, now let's close this. So this is the complete program. Now let's save this with maths1.php. Now let's run this. Localhost / maths1.php. Okay, so these are the absolute values of -7, 7, and this is for -7.2. Okay, now next one is for ceil function. So start PHP echo ceil value of 3.3, a dot here, inside double quotes the break statement and this, then the ceil value of, we'll just change the values, 7.333. okay, then next one, the ceil value of, let's say -4.8. okay, now just close this. So this is the program. Save this, maths2.php. okay, now let's see the result. maths2.php So sealed value for 3.3 is 4, for 7.33 is 8, and for minus 4.8 is minus 4. Okay, now let's see the hands-on for floor. So PHP echo floor value of 3.3, okay, dot inside double quotes the break statement and this. Okay, now let's copy from here, save your time, just change the values. Okay, 7.333, and let's say the value here is minus 4.8. Close this. Okay, now let's save this with maths3.php inside double quotes. Okay, now let's see the result. Okay, so floor value for 3.3 is 3, for 7.3 is 7, and the floor value of minus 4.8 is minus 5. Fine. Now next example is for square root functions, that is sqrt function. So let's see the example. So start with PHP tag PHP echo sqrt of, let's say, 16, then a dot here, double quotes br statement and a semicolon. Okay, now the next one is say 25, and the next one say 7. Okay, then end tag. Now let's save this, maths4.php. okay, this is for square root. Okay, now let's see the result, maths4.php. okay, so square root for 16 is 4, for 25 is 5, and the square root for 7 is 2.6457. okay, now next hands-on is for decimal to binary function, that is DEC-BIN function. So let's start PHP echo, the name of the function is desbin, and I want to find out the decimal to binary conversion of 2. Then let's give a break statement here. Okay, now let's say another value for decimal to binary conversion is 10, then another value say 22. okay, now let's end this, save this with maths5.php inside double quotes, save this. So maths5.php. okay, so decimal to binary conversion for 2 is 10, for 10 is 1010, and for 22 is 10110. okay, now the next example is for DEC-HEX function, that is decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, so PHP echo DEC-HEX, this is the name of the function, to, okay, the br tag here and a semicolon. okay, now let's change the values, and the next is for say 10, and the next is for say 22, and the end tag here. Now let's save this with maths6.php inside double quotes. Now let's run this. Okay, so The decimal to hexadecimal conversion for 2 is 2, for 10 is A, and for 22 is 16. Now next is for decimal to octal conversion, that is DEC OCT function. So let's start with PHP echo DEC OCT is the name of the function, and I want to convert to the BR tag here and a semicolon. The next values as the previous ones, 10 and 22. So this is for decimal to octal conversion. Now save this with maths7.php. Now let's run this. So decimal to octal conversion of 2 is 2, for 10 is 12, and for 22 is 26. And next is base convert function. So let's start PHP $n1 equals to 10. Now let's echo the name of the function, that is base underscore convert $n1, 10, 2. Dot the BR tag and a semicolon. Then close this. This is for base convert function. So maths a.php inside double quotes. So this function is used to convert the base, any base to any base. We can convert the base of a number to any base. So you can see this, the base conversion of this number is 1010. Now next is binary to decimal. So start with PHP echo binary to decimal conversion of 10, then a dot, the BR statement, BR tag here, and a semicolon. Now the another one is 1010, and let's say another one is 1011. Binary to decimal. Now let's save this with maths9.php. Double quotes. Let's see the result. So the binary to decimal conversion of 10 is 2, for 1010 is 10, and for 1011 is 11. So this was about maths functions in PHP.